Walk on, Miss Melanin. Show off your melanin. See how the queen and I'm not joke about that. See them a look, see them a hate, cause them know your thing shot. They see your skin and not for respect that.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Coco Rochelle. Thank you guys for tuning back in. If you're not already a Coco Puff, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning back. So today I will be showing you guys how to do this hairstyle, because this is like very popular now, and I really wanted to show you guys how I did it, because I was really gonna I started doing it on my own, and I was like, oh shoot, I got to record for you guys to show you guys how I create this hairstyle. So it was easy, really easy. You just need to know how to braid. So if you don't know how to braid, I guess I gotta let you guys know I don't know how to show you guys how to braid. Then you're gonna have to click out this video and watch another video to learn how to braid and come right back to me, and I will show you guys exactly how to do this beautiful hairstyle with the curls at the end. It's just so beautiful. So let's get into the video. And nowadays I have to do voiceovers because, as you guys know, I'm a mother and baby girl sometimes she's awake, and it's easier if I just do talkovers. So this video will be a talkover. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I have my hair all washed and blown out. This just helps and detangle. This just helps the process become more easier for you when you are sectioning off your hair, and it just is easier. I will also show you in the next clip how I section off my hair to make it easier for me when I'm braiding. It doesn't seem as much when you do separate it. Okay, over here I have sectioned off my hair. As you guys can see, I just put twist and I use the rubber band method, and it just is so much easier. So we are doing jumbo braids for these braids, so you don't need them as much. It's much easier when you do section it off. You guys should definitely try this method for any kind of braids you guys are doing. It just, you know, when you have your hair all over the place, it feels like you have so much to do, but when you section it off, it makes it more easier for you, and it doesn't seem as much okay. So I'm using this new braids that I've seen, this hair in the beauty supply that I have by me, and it's knotless braids, so they're already separated, which I really liked, and it made things so much easier. I'm going to show you guys in a bit how they look, but it was already pre-stretched and they separated it, so it was not a mess. Like usually when you separate hair, it's messy, but in this circumstance it already came separated, as you see right here, for knotless braids. You see, you guys can definitely look for this package. It just made things so much easier when it came to braiding. Anything to make life simpler. Yeah, so I took about 8 of these braids. You guys didn't see me counting. I took about 8 of these braids and I just applied it to my hair, braided to my hair. As I told you before, I'm not good at teaching how to braid, so you guys definitely will have to go to a different video to learn how to braid and then come back to me so you guys can know how to do this style. So I added 2 more braids to it. It doesn't have to be exactly 8. You could do 8, 10, just to make it look thick when braiding. So, oh, I forgot to untwist the thing. So I make it into 3 and then I just braid. Like, I had different ways I was doing it. That's why it's like don't follow me when it comes to braiding. So I'm just showing you guys how to style it, how to do this style. Yeah, so I just braid it. like braids this year has become so popular. I see a lot of braids, different braiding styles, and I just love that like natural things are coming back, because before people would always want to have I'm not saying anything's wrong with bundles and stuff like that, but we gotta also embrace our culture, the braiding, our braids, our natural hair. It's just becoming more popular, and I'm really happy about that with the different styles I can do that match me. The only thing I kind of am like a little iffy about is the baby hairs. I'm like, oh my gosh, not everybody has baby hairs, but people be pushing so hard for baby hair, and I'm like, girl, we like for me, baby hair does not match my hair, so I just leave it as is. I do not put baby hair unless I'm doing like a frontal. Even with frontals, I don't even apply baby hair because I don't know how to properly do it. You gotta finesse that. But with braids, it do I actually think they do make it look nicer, but some of them girls, they just be doing their baby hairs too much. I just feel like it's too much, but for each its own. So yeah, so right now I have the 2 braids there. I'm gonna just finish up, and I will get back to you guys when I am finished. Okay, so I have finished off the braids. Now I'm taking these roller sets. These come in a package. Usually it comes in like 8 or 10 of these, and they're the medium size. They're the medium size. They also have small and large. I picked the medium one because I wanted my curls to be not too tight and not too big. So it comes with this rubbery part at the end so you can attach the hair. This is how I've done it. And boom, yes, I love these braids. They're so nice. They lasted me for about a week. I could have pushed for 2 weeks, but I left it for a week because they ended up getting kind of messy since they are big. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button if you guys want to see more videos from me like this. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.